Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on autocorrection on iPhone. So if you want to turn on the autocorrection for any mistakes, maybe you are typing a particular message and you seem not to remember a particular word and you keep you misspell the words and you want the autocorrection guide on your iPhone. Here's a quick guide on how to do that. So tap on the settings, then go to general. So from general, scroll a little bit down, then tap on the keyboard, then right on the second option, which is under the all keyboards, turn on the autocorrection option. Then the autocorrection option has been turned on. Then anytime you are typing on your iPhone, then you make a misspell a word, the autocorrection option will help you replace and change those words into the correct one, and that's how you can turn on the autocorrection option on iPhone. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.